In this video we will learn how to use AstroStatus and create status pages. We will do this in 6 easy steps. First we will create a project. Then in the second step we will create components. In the third step we will create status pages. Then in the fourth we will attach the components to status pages. The fifth step will be adding the subscriber. The final step we will create an incident. Let's start by creating a project. This is the home page of AstroStatus. Here click on Add New Project button. Now let's name this project. Then add a description about the same. Scroll down and click on Create button. As you can see, a project has been created. Now let's work on the second step, which is creating components. So your question is, what are components? Components are the functional unit of the system. They can be understood as services or microservices of the project. These components specify the impacted parts of your services during incidents or maintenance. So to create a component, first let's go back to the home page. Here in the home page, select the project that you have created. Once the project is selected, click on the Components tab. Click on Components. Give a component name and then create a description. Also, let's create a new component group. Give a component group name. Also add the region. Then click on Create. As you can see, the component has been created. Now let's focus on step 3, which is the status pages. Under the Components tab you will find Status Pages. Click it. At the right corner click on the Create button. There are 2 tabs, General and Attached Components. Let's work with the General tab first. Add a status page name. And then select the status page type. There are 3 types of status pages. The public page, which is public and can be accessed by anyone. The private page, which can be authenticated using basic authentication, username and password. Subscriber-centric, which can be accessed only by verified subscribers. Here I am selecting public. Now click the checkbox, Include status page link in all the mails. This will ensure the customers will get link in their email to check the status reports. Before clicking on Create button, let's click on Attached Components tab. Here we are moving to the next step, attaching component to status page. Here select the components that you have created. And then click on Create button. The status page has been created. You can click on the status button to know about the status page. The next step, we will add a subscriber. First click on the Subscribers tab. At the right side you will find a button, Create New Subscriber. Just click it. In the prompt, add the full name and email address. In the status page drop-down, select the status page that you have created. And click on Create. An invitation email will be sent to the potential subscriber. In this email, the potential subscriber will click on the Subscribe button to become the active subscriber. The subscriber will start receiving updates. The final step, we will create an incident. First click on the Incidents button. Here let's create a new incident. Click on the Add New Incident button. Give an incident name and then provide a message. Select the components that you have created. Now click on the Select Status drop-down. To find the type of status, I am selecting Degraded Performance. Click on the checkbox, Notify Subscribers. And click on Create button. The confirmation message, Incident created successfully, will be displayed. When this incident is created, the subscriber receives an email in his email address. The subscriber scrolls down through this email and clicks on the status page link. The status page opens up. Here the subscriber can look into the status of the incident. If any past incidents are available, he can also look into the same. The status is resolved. You can click the option Mark as Resolved. In the prompt, click on the checkbox Notify Subscriber. And click on Confirm button. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to know more about AstroStatus, please visit our website. Here you can find information on the features and benefits of using AstroStatus. Also here you can find the latest news and updates about our product.